Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp using the updated method. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Launch the WhatsApp application on your Android smartphone by tapping on the WhatsApp icon. 2. Scroll down, then tap on Archived. Within the WhatsApp chat screen, scroll down to access the Archived section where your archived chats are stored. 3. Long press on the individual chat you want to unarchive. Locate the specific chat you wish to unarchive, then long press on it until additional options appear. 4. Tap on the box icon with an upward arrow to unarchive the chat. Look for the box icon with an upward arrow symbol and tap on it to unarchive the selected chat and move it back to your main chat list. By following these steps, you can easily unarchive a chat on WhatsApp using your Android device. Unarchiving a chat allows you to retrieve and continue conversations that you have previously archived. Thank you for watching, and enjoy unarchiving your chats on WhatsApp using these simple steps.